Imagination creates reality. What you imagine and believe is what you become. Neville Goddard. When it comes to manifesting your desires, there's a fundamental truth that can dramatically accelerate your results. This secret isn't about adding another technique to your toolkit or finding a new method. It's about understanding and harnessing a deeper principle that influences the speed and effectiveness of manifestation. This principle is rooted in the idea that your imagination and beliefs are the primary forces shaping your reality. To manifest your desires more quickly, the key lies in aligning your subconscious mind with your conscious goals. The subconscious mind operates on a level that is much deeper and more powerful than our everyday conscious thoughts. It's where our true beliefs, fears, and aspirations reside. When your subconscious mind is in harmony with what you consciously desire, the manifestation process becomes smoother and more rapid. One crucial aspect of this alignment is the role of belief. Beliefs are not just abstract concepts, they are the lenses through which you interpret reality. If your beliefs are aligned with your desires, you create a powerful force that propels you towards those desires. For instance, if you believe deeply that you are deserving of success and happiness, you will naturally begin to make choices and take actions that align with that belief, thus speeding up the manifestation process. Another vital component is the practice of mental rehearsal. This involves vividly imagining the outcomes you desire with as much detail as possible. It's not enough to simply visualize your goals. You need to engage all your senses in this process. Imagine the sounds, sights, smells, and feelings associated with achieving your goals. The more sensory-rich your visualization, the more effectively it can impress upon your subconscious mind. Repetition is also a key element. The more frequently you engage in mental rehearsal and positive affirmations, the more entrenched these new beliefs become in your subconscious mind. Over time, this repetition helps to dissolve any limiting beliefs or fears that might be standing in the way of your desired outcomes. Another factor that influences the speed of manifestation is your emotional state. Emotions are powerful indicators of how aligned you are with your desires. Positive emotions such as joy, gratitude, and excitement enhance your ability to manifest quickly. When you genuinely feel good about your goals, you raise your vibrational frequency, which in turn attracts similar positive energies into your life. This alignment between your emotional state and your desires creates a powerful magnet for achieving your goals. One technique that can help align your emotional state with your desires is the practice of gratitude. By focusing on what you are grateful for, you shift your mindset from a state of lack to one of abundance. This shift helps to open up new pathways for receiving what you desire. It's a way of affirming that you are already in a position to receive your goals, which further accelerates the manifestation process. Creating a clear and compelling vision of your goals is also essential. This vision acts as a guiding light, helping you stay focused on what you want to achieve. The clearer and more detailed your vision, the more effectively you can direct your mental energy towards achieving it. Writing down your goals, creating vision boards, and consistently reviewing your goals are practical ways to keep your vision vivid and alive. Moreover, trust plays a significant role in manifestation. Trusting in the process means having faith that your desires are already in the process of being realized, even if you can't see immediate results. This trust removes the resistance and doubt that can hinder the manifestation process. It's about believing that the universe is working on your behalf and that everything is unfolding in perfect timing. In addition to the principles mentioned earlier, another crucial aspect of manifesting quickly involves the concept of living from the end. This technique involves imagining and experiencing life as if your desires have already been fulfilled. It's about shifting your mental and emotional state to match the reality you wish to create, rather than waiting for external circumstances to change first. Living from the end requires you to fully inhabit the feeling and mindset of having already achieved your goals. This means not only visualizing the outcome, but also adopting the thoughts, behaviors, and attitudes you would have if you were already in that state of accomplishment. For example, if your goal is to achieve financial success, start thinking and acting like someone who is already financially successful. This includes making decisions, managing your time, and interacting with others in a way that reflects your new reality. One effective method to practice living from the end is to create detailed scenarios in your imagination. Picture yourself in a variety of situations that you would encounter if your goals were already realized. Think how you would handle challenges, interact with people, and enjoy your achievements. The more vividly you can experience these scenarios in your mind, the more real they become to your subconscious. Over time, this practice can help bridge the gap between your current reality and your desired outcome. Moreover, the principle of acting as if is closely related to living from the end. By behaving as though you have already achieved your goals, you send a powerful signal to your subconscious mind that your desires are attainable. This can also influence how others perceive you and the opportunities that come your way. For instance, if you are striving for a promotion, adopting a confident and capable demeanor can help others see you as a suitable candidate, thereby increasing your chances of success. Another important element in speeding up the manifestation process is overcoming internal resistance. Often, subconscious fears and doubts can create blocks that hinder progress. Identifying and addressing these limiting beliefs is essential. Techniques such as self-reflection, journaling, and working with affirmations can help uncover and dissolve these barriers. By transforming negative beliefs into positive affirmations, you align your mindset with your desired outcomes. In addition to internal work, surrounding yourself with positive influences can also play a significant role. Engaging with people who support and uplift you can reinforce your own positive beliefs and attitudes. Their encouragement and energy can help maintain your motivation and focus, contributing to a more rapid manifestation process. Accelerating manifestation involves living from the end, acting as if your goals are already achieved, overcoming internal resistance, surrounding yourself with positive influences, practicing mindfulness, and maintaining persistence. By incorporating these strategies into your daily life, you align more closely with your desires and enhance your ability to manifest them more swiftly. Incorporating practices such as mindfulness and meditation can enhance your ability to manifest. These techniques help cultivate a state of inner peace and clarity, making it easier to align with your desires. Regular meditation can also strengthen your connection to your intuition, providing guidance and insights that support your manifestation efforts. Lastly, maintaining a consistent and persistent attitude towards your goals is vital. Manifestation often requires patience and perseverance, especially when initial results are not immediately visible. Staying committed to your vision, even in the face of challenges, helps reinforce your determination and belief in the process. By continuing to take inspired action and maintain a positive mindset, you keep the momentum going and bring your desires closer to fruition. In summary, accelerating your manifestation process involves aligning your subconscious mind with your conscious desires, deeply engaging in mental rehearsal, frequently repeating positive affirmations, maintaining a positive emotional state, practicing gratitude, and creating a clear vision of your goals. Trusting in the process and believing in your own worthiness are also crucial components. By understanding and applying these principles, you can speed up the manifestation of your desires and create the life you envision. Recognizing and addressing internal resistance is also crucial. By confronting and transforming limiting beliefs, you remove the barriers that might prevent you from achieving your goals. This internal work is complemented by surrounding yourself with supportive influences and maintaining a positive attitude. Engaging with encouraging people can reinforce your confidence and motivation, while a steadfast approach to your goals helps maintain focus and drive. Additionally, practices such as mindfulness and meditation enhance your ability to stay aligned with your desires. These techniques cultivate clarity and peace, making it easier to connect with your intuition and receive guidance. Regular meditation also helps to strengthen your focus and commitment, further supporting your manifestation efforts. Persisting in your efforts despite challenges or delays is vital. The manifestation process often requires time and patience, and maintaining a consistent, positive attitude helps to keep your goals within reach. By staying committed and taking inspired action, you continue to move closer to realizing your desires. To summarize, the keys to effective manifestation include living as though your desires are already realized, overcoming internal resistance, surrounding yourself with positive influences, practicing mindfulness, and remaining persistent. Incorporating these strategies into your daily routine can significantly enhance your ability to bring your dreams to fruition. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up. Your support is invaluable and helps us create more content to assist you in achieving your goals. For more insights and tips on manifestation, subscribe to our channel. By subscribing, you'll stay updated on all our latest videos and strategies. Hit the notification bell to receive alerts about new content that can aid you on your journey. Share this video with friends and family who might benefit from these ideas, and leave a comment below to let us know your thoughts. Your engagement helps us continue to provide valuable information and support. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to bringing you more content to help you realize your dreams.